Now, Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar has tested positive for COVID-19 as Maharashtra registered a record 37,000 cases on Friday alone, the biggest spike ever since the pandemic began. Here's how the state is currently reeling under the continuous surge of COVID-19.
Maharashtra continues to remain the worst hit COVID state and has been witnessing a huge surge in the number of cases. On Friday, the state broke its own record and registered the biggest surge in infections since the beginning of the pandemic with 36,902 cases. The continuous surge has now forced the Aghadi government to impose a night curfew across the state from Sunday. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, after a meeting with district collectors, announced a night curfew on Friday in Maharashtra to contain the spread. He also stressed on the need for increasing testing and vaccination.
संडे की रात से रात 8 बजे से सुबह 8 बजे तक का पूरे महाराष्ट्र में कर्फ्यू का निर्णय लिया गया है। निश्चित रूप से आंकड़े भी बढ़े हैं, लेकिन टेस्टिंग बढ़ने से आने वाले दिनों में जो बढ़ोतरी हो रही है उस पर कहीं ना कहीं कंट्रोल होगा, हमें उम्मीद है।
112 fatalities were reported on Friday, taking the total death toll in the state to 53,907. Active cases in the state stand at 2,82,451, making Maharashtra share 60% of the active caseload of India's COVID tally. The maximum city also reported an all-time high of 5,515 daily cases on Friday. Some other worst-hit cities in the state are Pune, Nashik, Nagpur and Aurangabad. Pune has the highest number of active cases, followed by Nagpur and then Mumbai. The second wave of the virus in Maharashtra has gripped Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar, who is now in home quarantine and experiencing mild symptoms. This comes just days after superstar Aamir Khan also tested positive for COVID. Experts fear that the huge surge in the number of cases may be due to the presence of a new double mutant strain in the state. Despite being worst hit by COVID, Maharashtra has administered the maximum number of vaccine doses. But the big question is, will the night curfew be effective in halting the spike?
The COVID situation in the state of Maharashtra is only worsening by the day. The entry of the new variant has added to the concerns. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has now announced night curfew in the state from 28th of March. And he has added that the restrictions will be made even more stricter if the people do not abide by the rules. With camera person Mahesh More, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.